going to be easy, but it's going to be a little bit fast. So that's the key, but if you learn everything by heart, you're going to be able to do it as fast as you can. I created this dance to the song Till the World Ends by Britney Spears, but because of copyright, I am not allowed to put it in my videos, but I'm going to have a similar song and you can start and practice with the other one. So that's good. Okay, no more talk. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start facing to the back. This is my front, this is my back. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna wait an 8. And I'm going to bring my right foot back. And I'm gonna start clapping 4 times. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost like a COR, like that. So I wait here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. My right is in the front, my left is in the back. I'm going to kick, ball, change right here. Kick, ball, change. And I prep to do yes, I'm going to prep a pure chain to the right. Okay, I'm going to do it from the beginning. Here it is. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and kick, ball, change, plie, plie. I'm going to bring my right into a fan kick or a rondé jump. Go up, up, right here. My right is going to be in the back. So from here, I want you to stand up as straight as possible. Right here, like a, oh, right here. So straight and down. So you're very straight all the way up and roll away, and then you just like crumple to the floor. It looks like that. Let's do it again. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Oh, what are you doing here? She's not supposed to be here. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Now I'm going to do it from the back so you can see my back. So I'm going to start in the front. So I'm here, down to the song. 5, 6, my right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, ball, change, plie. Go up, oops, wall. Go up, point your toes. Bring it all the way up and down. Right here. Okay, I'm gonna do it to the front. So we have, I did my plie and up and down. My right, my left, is it my left? Oh, it's my left. Oops. Left thigh. Front, like a slide. Front, like a sexy slide. Front, right here. My right is going up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right here. This one is gonna go to the back. Right here. Right here. So I'm gonna be basically on my fours right here. Right, left. So right, left. I'm going to turn to the right. Turn, and I'm gonna pick up a chaîné right here. So I turn, up, right here. Okay? Whoo! Let's do it again. So I'm right here. I go my 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn around in your fours. And right. And left. And turn. And plie right here. Plie. And I'm gonna jump up. Whoop. Right here. I'm gonna put my feet together. Arms, and I'm gonna turn around. So I'm gonna have like a projectile, just go up. So let's do it again. But I'm gonna do it facing the back, okay? So I have, I did my rondé jump, straight up, right, whoops, straight up, and down, my left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna turn to the back, right, and left, in all fours, right, left, turn, right here, bring it down, and up. That was weird. I did it weird, but it's supposed to be a jump. And up. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. I'm going to keep going around and I'm gonna kick. Maybe you don't see it. Around and kick. Cross, cross, and to the front. Let me do it to the front. Am I going too fast? Am I too confusing? Maybe I am. Let's do everything from the top facing that way. Okay? Let's do it. So this is my back, this is my front. And I have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, up, 4, and down my left. Slide, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Go around, in my fours, and right, and left, and turn, and plie, and up, and kick, and 1, and 2, and front. So basically what you do there, it's a around. Put your hands like this, and we go around like that. We got that. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna do it with music. Let's try one more time with music. Well, not one more time, the only time we try it with music. I'm going to try it with music, facing to the front, then facing to the back. Yes? Let's just keep that up. Let's try it.
Last night on replay, going over on in my head, thinking in cliches, feeling dizzy, caught in your web. I can't stand it, feeling like I need this, dreaming up a million conversations in my head. Can you please relay?
And that's how it looks. Well, we're not done yet, so keep on rolling. So I have around 1, 2. This is my left. Chest down to the right, to the left. So this is my left. This is my right. Okay? Let's see. So we go around. 1, 2. Chest, hip. Right, left. I'm gonna bring my right. It's just like a hop right here. Here, bring it down, go around, feet together, and booty there, right there. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, so we did around 2. This is my left, I'm facing to my left. Facing to my right, facing to my left, bring my right, bring it back, here, feet together, and hip, sexy style. From here, my right leg is gonna bring it in. This is my right, here, in. So right here, in, hip, yes. From here, I'm gonna hit it right here, my right touching my left shoulder, my left touching my bone hip, right here. I'm going to open to the right and close, and prep to the right. I'm gonna do it to the back. So we have here, round and 1, right, and 2, open, 3 and 4, and up, 5, 3, around, turn your right, and turn. Let's do it one more time. So we have, let's do it from here. So we have around and chest, 1 and 2, left, 3, 4, bring it, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, open 3 and 4, up 5, hit 6, around 7, bring 8. From here, I'm going to go down, right here, 1. I'm gonna kick my hip to the front, and 2. It looks like this. So my knees are going to the right. 1 and 2, up. 1 and 2, up. Does that make sense? Okay. So I did around and 1 and 2, open and prep. You go up, you throw, you go round and turn, and 1 and 2 and up. A simple up, up. These are weird counts, so bear with me. 1, 2, 1 and 2. So it's like kind of weird, right? It's 1, 2, 1 and 2. It's like weird counts, but I kind of like it. Then I'm gonna put in the pony right there. So 1 and 2, pony, 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 pony. Because we're gonna start another chalet. But guess what? This video will be continued in another video. So right now we're gonna learn this part. This is gonna be part 1, and then the next video I'm gonna do part 2. Whoop, 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 whoop. And interesting, right? It's so easy. Once you do it slow and everything, it will make sense, I promise. So let's do it one more time from right here. So we have 5, 6, we have around, that hip, around, and 1 and 2, and lift, and right, and bring, in and turn, together and booty, right there, and 1, tap, tap, open and prep, and 1, and throw, around, and turn, 1 and 2, and 1, ba, ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Right there! Isn't that easy? Woo woo! Let's try to do everything. We count, then we're gonna add some music, and that'll be it for today. Let's do it again from the top. So we have, I'm gonna do facing to the back so you can see it. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, around, up, in, and here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, 6, 7, 8, and right here, and right, and right, and up, and kick, and 1, and 2, around, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and here, together, booty, 1 and 2, open 3 and 4, 5, 6, throw, away, around, turn around, 1 and 2, 3, 5, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's do everything with music. I'm gonna face to the front, then I'm gonna face to the back, and we will be done. Let's do it.
Last night on replay, going over on in my head, thinking cliches, feeling dizzy, caught in your web. I can't stand it, feeling like I need this, dreaming up a million conversations in my head. Can you please read?
video, please upload it to Instagram and tag me at Miss Maria ESC. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the screen right here, and I look forward to be seeing you doing choreography. Don't forget to come back for the second part of the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.